this session, I'll be talking about a need for object interaction modeling for real-world applications, and briefly talk about existing methods, and also showcase a cost-effective alternative to some of the existing ones that we propose, something that could scale both for cloud applications as well as on the edge. So there are a number of real-world use cases where modeling object interactions is pretty vital. Like, say, for example, humans interacting with robots in a warehouse, or a road scene where cars interact with each other, or like cars and road vehicles interact with each other, or a factory floor where humans and forklifts can interact. So there are a few applications which we'll talk about in the next slide. So there are a lot of use cases where human interaction modeling is kind of pretty vital. Before jumping into the applications, I'll talk about what do I mean by interaction in general. I'll define that first. So in a way, interaction is more of interaction can be defined as a change in behavior of one or more actors involved in the event. Say, for example, if I'm driving a car and all of a sudden a pedestrian steps into onto the road, and probably I'm going to brake, and as well as the pedestrian would look at me, and then he would react to that as well, and then he'd step back, or probably other cars behind me or in front of me would brake as well. So this is an event, and all the one or more actors that are part of this interaction kind of react to that. So their behavior, any change in their behavior is what we are trying to model, and using that has a number of applications.